My name is Sudhakar Kalakota, and I'm a CEO of Pot Robotics Corporation. Our company is about making any customer into a good chef. Basically, we want to connect any chef in the world to any kitchen in the world, right? And we are trying to do that by building one small device. That same device I want to populate everywhere in the world, including the chefs. It will be coming with a training module where the chef is able to use it as a food calculator, where he can fine tune how much recipe, how much spices he needs to put, and what is the temperature that he wants to cook so and so, what are the different ingredients and at what time they should fall, things like that. So we approach this as a degree of freedom concept, where like you try to take as many degrees of freedom in the kitchen that a chef uses and try to put it in this device as cheap as possible, so that the scalability, where like adoption is much easier if it is affordable by everybody. So it started out as like, I miss my mom's food all the time, and before she leaves, I mean, I want to keep her recipes in digital format. That's the fundamental reason why I started the whole thing, and one thing led to another. Mom became a chef. I want to replicate some others' recipes at home and try it out. It should be good even for foodies. If they're a foodie, yeah, go ahead, use this as a calculator. We are not trying to replace the chef, never. We are building this for the chef, what the chefs will like. The training tool will be chefs' feedback will be taken into it, because we want the chefs, we want to honor them. The AI part, I really love it, because now it just reduces the work in every other angle. Like I can now, with my device, I can even imagine saying like, hey, I like this so-and-so chef, can you cook that for me? Then my program, I can actually develop a program which will develop the recipe that my machine understands, and also it gives the user what are the ingredients that he needs to bring in, and so it's things like that. Like AI is non-linear, quite non-linear. So that way, I think everyone benefits from it. Like that's what I really like, because not many people they love food, but they don't know how to cook. So I think it really helps in the food technology, definitely, and food wastage wise, and removing plastic, unnecessary to-go boxes, things like that. Those are the ones which I'm more excited about. Like I can make the whole Mother Earth more greener with this. If adoption of this device goes higher, then the restaurants don't have to give the to-go boxes, stuff like that. I can cook my favorite restaurant food also at home.